Let's make a Negroni.
This is how we make a classic Negroni, a staple of any bartender. First, we decide if we're going to serve it up or on the rocks. We choose a low bar glass because we are making it on the rocks. He takes his ice out to temper, and the hardest part comes next, and that's waiting. However, that comes rather quick. Once the ice is tempered, he adds it to his glass. A Negroni is a 1:1:1 ratio of Campari to Sweet Vermouth to gin. First, he grabs his Campari. As he pours, he quickly realizes he's used the wrong side of his jigger, because this glass is not merely large enough. He performs some glass switcheroo magic and eventually gets the right size, 3/4 of an ounce. And then he grabs the Sweet Vermouth, 3/4 of an ounce of this as well. He then proceeds with the best part, a very floral gin, in this case, Uncle Val's. This too goes into the glass. A quick swirlaroo from the boss spoon, not enough to dilute it, but just enough to kind of chill it. He then grabs an orange, and as the camera decides to focus in and out because it has a mind of its own, he peels the orange. A nice, small, thin peel. He then scrapes off the rind, because it's unsightly, and because it's bitter. He then cuts it to make it much more presentable. 3 sides straight, 1 side not so straight. He then spritz the orange oil into the Negroni, just for the essence, and swabs the glass for the aroma. The scent increases the olfactory sensation, which improves the Negroni. And then, in it goes. And that is how you make a classic Negroni. Boozy, strong, whether served up or on the rocks. It's fantastic. If you liked this video, check out above and below. Hit that like button, share and subscribe. And until next time, eat well and drink responsibly.